Welcome. Today I will show you how to install Bidet Elite. The interest in bidet is reviving again because the bidet is clean, it's hygienic and it's environment friendly because it minimizes the waste of toilet paper.
This is Bidet Elite and it has some characteristics as the main one is dual nozzle where it washes your posterior part and it washes the feminine part also. This is self-cleaning and has retractable nozzle. So I will show you the step-by-step instruction. So this is what's inside the package. This is the main bidet system. This is the pipe. These are some manuals and these are few other stuff that you may or may not need. And you also will need a Phillips screwdriver. So the first step is to remove the toilet seat cover. Basically the bolts and nuts of this cover is under this plastic. So we have to open the bolt and remove the toilet seat cover. Next step is to turn the water off to this toilet tank. For you, there may be water valve that you may have to turn off. For me, I just have to pull this to turn off and then make sure that the water in the tank is empty by flushing the water. Next step is to open the hose, that's this, under the toilet tank. Before opening, make sure that you put something here just in case if some water leaks that can absorb it. Next you have to connect this T-washer at the point where you have removed the hose. Now make sure you use this conical washer with the cone of the washer that is facing outwards like this. So put the washer like this and then connect at this point where you just removed. So I connected this T-valve to this point. Now make sure that you don't over tighten it. For that what I did is I tried to tighten through my hand as much as possible without using any other tools. Now next step is to put this here and tighten it the same way. Now next step is to connect this metal pipe or hose that is given with the bidet box to this point, the third point of the T-valve. Next, you have to place this washer on the holes from where the bolts had been removed on top of the toilet seat. Once they are aligned, next you have to align the bidet system so that the holes are visible through these mounting brackets. Something like this. Then you can place your toilet seat. Now when my toilet seat was placed, I had these which came with the seat, so I'm just going to put them like this before installing the seat on top of this. So you can see at the bottom there is washer, then there is the bidet, then there is toilet seat, and everything is aligned with the hole, and I put the bolts within it, and now I am tightening them by securing their attachment. The next step is to connect this hose, other end of this hose that we connected with the hose supplying the water to the toilet tank, to the underside of the bidet system, which is here. Once the hose is connected, we can turn on this water valve and see if there are any leaks or not. So after I restarted my water connection to to the toilet tank, I see that there is no leak here. But now we see that due to the bidet, there is this gap between the toilet seat and the toilet cover. So to adjust this, we have to fit these over here and one at the other side and one at the front. So we have 3 of them. They have this adhesive that sticks with the seat so that the seat, when you put it down, it can close the gap. Now about the operation here. So this is the water pressure and this is the mode of operation. This is the mode for rear selection. This is for feminine wash and this is for self nozzle cleaning. I can show you how it makes this operation. And these 2 selections are something you have to adjust according to yourself. But let's see how it self cleans the nozzle. So you see these are the nozzles and I have selected the nozzle self cleaning mode and I'm increasing this water pressure slowly. And you can see water comes through here and cleans the nozzle if there is any debris. So the water comes through there and it cleans the nozzle. So this is how you install your bidet system.